Hello student, in today's class we are going to discuss mixture and alligation exercise part 1. Now we will see some indexes which we are going to study in our today's class. So some method of alligation, concept of mixture and concept of replacement of mixtures, some miscellaneous questions and then summarize our today's lecture. Now there is a disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creator and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now see some formula related to mixture and alligation. Now the first is alligation rule. Let the cost price of a unit of a cheaper article is rupees C and that of a unit of costly article is D and the average, it means mean price of the mixture is M. Then we can say that quantity of cheaper item upon quantity of costlier item is equals to CP, it means cost price of one unit of costlier item minus mean price or average price upon mean price or average price minus cost price of one unit of cheaper item. Okay, so we can represent in this format CP of cheaper C and CP of the dearer or we can say costlier. So it is D. Mean price, it means average, it represented by M. So when we write it, we write dearer minus mean. So we can write it D minus M and we can write it mean minus cheaper because the average will be less than dearer and more than cheaper. So we can write it M minus C and D minus M. Clear? So this will be the ratio of quantity. D minus M upon M minus C is the ratio of quantity of cheaper item upon costlier item. Clear? Next. So we can write it D minus M ratio M minus C. We can write it D minus M upon M minus C. Now next one. Formula for calculating concentration of a solution after a certain number of operations. Suppose a container contains X unit of a liquid from which Y unit are taken out and replaced by water. After n operations, quantity of pure liquid is X in the bracket 1 minus Y upon X to the power n units. Clear? So, in this question, we know that the X represent total quantity, Y represent quantity taken out and n represent the number of operation, how many times we did it. Clear? Formula for combining the ratio of milk and water from both mixtures to find the overall ratio in third container. Clear? A container has milk and water in ratio A ratio B. A second container of some capacity as first R has milk and water in ratio C ratio D. Clear? So we can write it in both the mixture are emptied into a third container, then the ratio of milk and water in third container is given by A upon A plus B plus C upon C plus D, ratio B upon A plus B plus D upon C plus D. Clear? Now see the first question. In a mixture of milk and water of the volume of 60 liter, the ratio of milk to water is 7 ratio 5. How much quantity of water will be added to make mixture to equal ratio? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that total volume of the mixture is 60 liter and ratio is 7 ratio 5. So we can say that 12 unit is total mixture. So in the mixture, quantity of milk will be 7 by 12 into 60, which is become 35 liter. Same way, quantity of water 5 by 12 into 60, which is 25 liter. So the question says that how much quantity of water will be added to the mixture to equal quantity. So we know that there is 35 liter of milk. So if we make them 35 liter of water, so it will become 1 ratio 1. So how can we get it? We subtract it 35 minus 25. So if we add 10 liter of water, then the ratio become 1 ratio 1 equal. Clear? Next one. In a mixture of milk and water of the volume 30 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 8 ratio 7. How much water should be added in the mixture to make the ratio 4 ratio 5? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that total volume of the mixture is 30 liter and they are in the ratio 8:7. So question says that how much water should be added to make the ratio of the mixture 4:5. So if we know that the total mixture will be in unit form 8 plus 7, so it will become 15, and 8 unit is milk and 7 unit is water. So what will be the milk quantity? Because total quantity is 30 liter. So we can easily calculate it. 8 by 15 multiplied by 30, which is 16 liter. So what will be the quantity of water? 7 by 15 into 30, which is 14 liter, or we can subtract it. 30 minus 16, we get again 14 liter. Clear? So let the x liter of water to be added. So if we add x liter, so the ratio become 4:5. So 16 upon 14 plus x, the ratio will be equals to 4:5. So we can easily calculate the value of x. When we calculate, we get the value of x, which is 6 liter. So we add 6 liter water, then the ratio become 4:5 is the correct answer. Next one. In what ratio must oil at rupees 62 rupees per kg mixed with oil of rupees 72 rupees per kg so that the mixture must be worth rupees 64.50 rupees per kg? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to use formula 11.4 alligation formula, in which cheaper price and dearer price, and this is a mean price. We can say that average. So we took the price of the oil which are cheaper, which is 62 rupees, and maximum price or dearer price or costlier price of the oil which is 72 rupees, and their average is given 64.50 rupees. So when we calculate it, we get the ratio of quantity of oils which are cheaper and which are costlier. So the question says that in what ratio oil of these two price oils in are mixed. So they are mixed in 3:1. C is the correct answer. Next. A mixture of milk and water measures 60 liters. It contains 20% of water. How many liter of water should be added to it so that water may be 25%? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that there is total 60 liter of mixture in which 20% of water. So we can easily calculate 20% of 60, which is 12 liter. Clear? So quantity of milk will be 60 minus 12, which is 48 liter. Now question says that in new mixture, water is 25%. So milk will be 75%. So we can calculate it. Let the total quantity of new mixture is x liter. So x multiplying by 75% is equals to 48. Because we add some water, not milk. So 75% of the new mixture will be 48. Clear? So from there, we can calculate the value of x, new mixture total, which is 64 liter. So now quantity of water will be, we can subtract it, 64 minus 48. So 16 liter. So how many liter of water we add? There are 12 liter. It becomes 16. So 4 liter of water must be added. Clear? B is the correct answer. Next one. In what ratio must a grocer mix two variety of pulses costing 15 rupees and 20 rupees per kg, respectively, so as to get a mixture of worth 16.5 rupees per kg? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that we are going to using formula of alligation. Clear? So cheaper price is 15, which is given that. Clear? And dearer or costlier is 20, and he wants to mix them. So the mean price or average price could be become 16.5. So we put it mean price 16.5. So we get the value ratio of 3.50 ratio 1.50. So when you calculate it, we get 7:3. So 7 kg of 15 rupees product pulse and 3 kg of 20 rupees kg pulse. When we mix them, then the average price will become 16.50 rupees. Next one. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at cost price, but he mixes it with water and thereby gain 25%. The percentage of water in the mixture is, you have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now let CP of milk be 1 rupees per liter. So the selling price of milk will be, of mixture, will be 1 rupees, because it is said that the dishonest shopkeeper sell the milk at cost price. So mixture will be 1 rupees. Now gain obtained is 25%. So what will be the cost price of, actual cost price of the mixture will become 100 upon 125 multiply by 1, because we take the selling price as 1 rupees. So it will become 4 by 5 rupees cost price. So now again we can use the allegation formula. Solution to be continued. Now water is freely available. So we put price of the water is 0. Milk price is 1 rupees. And when they mix them, the average price become 4 by 5. So what will be the ratio? When we calculate it, we get 1:4. Milk will be 1 liter and, water is 1 liter and milk is 4 liter. Clear? Next one. So what is the percentage become? 1 by 5 multiplying by 100. So it become 20%. Clear? Next. Find the ratio in which rice at rupees 7.20 rupees per kg to be mixed with rupees 5.70 per kg to produce a mixture worth 6.30 rupees per kg. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that the ratio of the rice at rupees 7.20 rupees per kg mixed with the rice 5.70 rupees per kg, and the price of the mixture will become 6.30 rupees per kg. So now we are going to using formula 11.1. By this allegation method, dearer price and cheaper price. Dearer price means costlier. Costlier rice is 7.20 rupees per kg. Cheaper rice is 5.70 rupees per kg. And their mean is 6.30 rupees. So what will be the ratio become? 6.30 is average. So it is more than cheaper and less than dearer or costlier. So ratio become 0.6 ratio 0.9. So when we convert into integer form, it will become 2:3. So B is the correct answer. Next one. Now next question is, how much tea at rupees 4 rupees per kg should be added to 15 kg of tea at rupees 10 rupees per kg so that the mixture be worth 6.50 rupees per kg? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to use formula 11.1, which is allegation formula. Now cheaper price is 4 rupees per kg and 10 rupees per kg. Dearer price, or we can say costlier tea price. Clear? So when we take mean average price is 6.50. We want that. So LCM will be, the ratio will become, when we calculate 3.50 ratio 2.50, it will become 7:5. Clear? So it is given in the question that 5 unit, which we got it, 5 unit is equals to 15 kg. Because in the question says that 15 kg of tea at rupees 10 kg, 10 rupees per kg. Clear? So what will be the 1 unit value? 1 unit is equal to 3 kg. So what will be the value of 7 unit? It is 21 kg. So D is the correct answer. Clear? Next one. In what ratio must sugar at rupees 2 rupees per kg be mixed with sugar 3.50 rupees per kg so that the mixture be worth 2.50 rupees per kg? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to using formula 11.1. So in the question it is given that the price of the sugar is 2 rupees and 3.5 rupees and their average becomes 2.50. So 2 rupees per kg sugar and 3.50 rupees kg sugar. When we mix them, the average price should become 1.250. So when we subtract it, we get 1.00 ratio 0.50. So when we calculate it, we get 2 ratio 1. So in what ratio we mix them? In 2 ratio 1. A is the correct answer. Next one. 600 grams of sugar and water solution has 40% sugar in it. How much sugar should be added so should be added make it 50% in the solution? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now 40 in 600 grams sugar water solution, there is 40% sugar. So how much gram will be sugar? So 600 multiplying by 40 upon 100. So we get 240 grams. So how much water in the solution? We can subtract it and easily get it, which is 360 gram. Now let the quantity added is x gram. Clear? X gram sugar should be added. So 240 plus x upon 360 is equals to 1 ratio 1 because it says that 50%. So 50% means 1 by 1. Now we can calculate x equals to 120 grams. So if we add 120 gram of sugar, then in the solution, ratio become 1 ratio 1 of sugar and water. Next one. Gold is 21 times heavy as compared to water, and copper is 11 times heavy as compared to water. In what ratio should these metals be mixed so that the mixture may be 17 times as heavy as water? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to using formula 11.1. Now gold and copper. Clear? This is 21 times heavy and this is 11 times heavy. But question says that if we mix them and we want to, it will become 17 times heavy than water. So the mean is 17. So we can easily calculate it. We get the ratio 3 ratio 2 when we subtract it. 11 minus 17 minus 11 is 6 and 21 minus 17 is 4. So the ratio becomes 3 ratio 2. D is the correct answer. Next one. I have 100 books of English. I sold some of these at a profit of 12% and rest at 8% loss. On the whole, I got a profit of 11%. How many books were sold at 12% profit by me? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now, question says that there will be a profit of 12% for selling some books and there is some loss which is 8%. And mean average he got profit of 11%. So what will the ratio become? 11 minus 8 become 19 and 12 minus 11 become 1. So what will be the ratio? 19 ratio 1. It means total quantity will be 20 unit. So if 20 unit is equals to 100, so what will be the value of 19? Because question says that how many books were sold at 12% profit. So how many books you sold at 19? So when we calculate it, we got 95 books. So he sold 95 books at 12% profit. Clear? Next one. There are 3 tubs which contain mixture of milk and water in the ratio 5 ratio 2, 4 ratio 3 and 3 ratio 1 respectively. If the mixture be poured in a single tub, find the ratio milk and water. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to using formula 11.3. So milk will be in total, if we see that 5 to 7, this will be 7 unit, this will be 7 unit and this is 4 unit. Clear? So if we let it totally 7 liter, then how much milk is? 5. In second mixture, there is 4 liter and in third mixture, there is 3 liter. Clear? So we can easily calculate the milk. By the way, 5 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7 plus 3 by 4. So we can easily calculate it. We take LCM, which is 28. And when we calculate it, we get 57 upon 28. Now, in the same way, we can easily calculate the water, which become 27 upon 28. Now we can make the ratio of milk and water, which is 57 ratio 27. When we calculate it, we get 19 ratio 9. B is the correct answer. Next one. In what ratio must be sugar of rupees 17 rupees per kg mixed with sugar 29 rupees per kg to make mixture of 20 rupees per kg? Now you have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that 17 rupees per kg sugar and 29 rupees per kg sugar. When we mix them, the average price is 20. So we can say it, cheaper price of sugar is 17, dearer price of sugar is 29 and mean price is 20. So ratio become 9 ratio 3. So when we calculate it, we get 3 ratio 1. So D is the correct answer. Next one. In what ratio must pulse of rupees 70 rupees per kg be mixed with pulse of rupees 45 rupees per kg to get a mixture of rupees 60 rupees per kg? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now question says that in what ratio must pulse rupees 70 rupee per kg mixed with pulse 45 rupees per kg to get the mixture price is 60 rupees. So now we are going to using formula 11.1. By this, dearer price of the pulse and cheaper price of the pulse. Dearer means costlier. So it is 70 rupees given in the question, and cheaper price, it is also given 45, and their mean value is given, which is 60. So what will be the ratio become of the quantity? So dearer is more than the average and cheaper is less than the average. So when we calculate the ratio, we get 15 ratio 10. So when we solve it, we get ratio 3 ratio 2. So 3 kg of 70 rupees per kg pulse and 2 kg of 45 rupees per kg of pulse we can take. Then our average price will become 60 rupees per kg. D is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question is, gold is 19 times as heavy as water and copper is 9 times as heavy as water. In what ratio should these metal be mixed so that the mixture may be 15 times as heavy as water? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to using formula 11.1. So gold and copper. Gold is 19 times heavy than water and copper is 9 times heavy than water. And he wants that to mix them and make them mixture 15 times heavier than water. So the mean or average we can say that is 15 times. So 19, 9 and 15. So what will be the ratio become? Ratio becomes 6 ratio 4. When we solve it, we get 3 ratio 2 is the correct answer. Next one. A man buys 2 cows for rupees 2700 and sell one for loss 6% and other he gained 7.5%. On the whole, he neither gained nor lost. What does second cow cost? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. We are going to using formula 11.1. Now at one cow he got 7.5% profit and another he lost 6%. And in the whole transaction, he neither gain nor loss. So what will be the ratio become? 6 ratio 7.5. So when we solve it, we get the ratio 4 ratio 5. Now question says it, what is the cost of second cow? Second cow he sell at 7.5% gain. So gain is 5. Total is 9. So it will become 4 upon 9 multiplying by 2700. So we can calculate it, which is 1200 rupees. Next. A pot contain 81 liter of pure milk. 1/3 of the milk is replaced by the same amount of water. Again, 1/3 of the mixture is replaced by the amount of water. The ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now question says that 81 liter was the total pot contain 81 liter of pure milk. So when we remove 1/3 of the milk and we add 1/3 of the water, clear? And it repeated one more time. So the formula for that type of question is x into 1 minus y upon x to the power 2. Y2 is there is n and n is 2. Why? Because this process is repeated 2 times. So 81 in the bracket 1 minus 27 upon 81 square. So when we calculate it, we get 36 liter is the correct answer. Clear? Next one. So the water quantity in the mixture, 36 is the milk. So when we calculate, we need to the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. So what will be the water? Water will become 45. So ratio become 4:5. Next one. Find the ratio in which two sugar solution of the concentration 15 and 40 are to be mixed to get a solution of concentration 30%. You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Again, we are going to using formula 11.1. So the concentration of sugar solution 1 is 15%, another is 40%, and their average is 30%. So we just put it and calculate it. So 40 minus 30, 10, 15 minus 30 is 15. So ratio become 2:3. So A is the correct answer. Next. A man has 60 pen. He sells some of these at profit of 12% and rest at 8% loss. On the whole, he get 11% profit. How many pens were sold at 12% profit? Now you have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Now we are going to using formula 11.4. So profit and loss. We know that 12% profit, 8% loss, and their average is 11% profit. So it will become 19:1. 11 minus 8 will become 19, and 12 minus 11 is 1. So the ratio is 19:1. So total quantity is 20 unit, and we need to find the 19 of 20. So multiplying by 60, which is 57. Next question is, a mixture of 40 liter of milk and water contain 10% water. How much water must be added to make 20% water in the new mixture? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. Same way, quantity of milk in the mixture will become 90%. So 90 upon 100 is 40 is 36 liter. Same way, water will become 4 liter, 10% of 40. So if let x liter of water be added and the ratio become 20 upon 80 upon 20 because milk is 36 liter. So 36 upon 4 plus x is equals to 80 upon 20 because water is 20% become in new mixture. So when we calculate it, we get the value of x, which becomes 5 liter. Clear? So how much water we add? 5 liter water. C is the correct answer. Next one. If 2 kg of metal, of which 1/3 is zinc and the rest is copper, be mixed with 3 kg of metal, of which 1/4 is zinc and rest is copper, what is the ratio of zinc to copper in the mixture? You have 5 options and 10 seconds to analyze the question. Your time start now. Now time's up. Let's see the solution. We are going to using formula 11.3. So quantity of zinc in the metal will become 1/3 into 2 because total is 2 kg and 1/3 is zinc. So we can calculate copper 2/3 of 2, which become 4/3. Same way, in the second metal, zinc will become 1/4 of 3, so 3/4. So copper will become 3/4 of 3, which is 9/4. Now, solution to be continued. Now we know that the quantity of zinc in the mixture will become 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, which become 17 by 12. Same way, quantity of copper in the mixture will become, when we calculate it, we get 43 upon 12. So what will the ratio? 17 by 12 ratio 43 upon 12. 12 cancel out, so ratio become 17 ratio 43. Clear? Now summarize our today's lecture. Mixture definition: combination, combining two or more substance to form a new mixture. Clear? Key formula: the average concentration or cost of the mixture can be calculated using concentration of average will become A into Ca plus B into Cb upon A plus B, where A and B are the quantity of the substance and Ca and Cb are their respective concentration or cost. Clear? Same way allegation: used to find the average price or concentration when mixing different items or to determine the ratio in which they should be mixed. Now the allegation alternate: find the mixing ratio based on difference between individual value and the average. Now the ratio become concentration of A, Ca minus C average upon C average minus Cb, where A and B is the quantity of the substance and C and Cb are the respective concentration or cost. Clear? Now thank you.